Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dina Rizkia Putri. I'm from Natural Science Education Class A and my student number ID is 2023-109 and our lecturer is Ma'am Monica Primasari, MPD. In this video, I will explain about an essay that I have made entitled Vaccine, the Development of Science and Scientific Thinking in Modern Times. Currently, the world is faced with a pandemic called COVID-19 or coronavirus disease. Coronavirus is a virus that causes mild to the moderate respiratory infection that are similar to the flu. As we know, on March 2, 2020, President Joko Widodo has announced that there are 2 Indonesian citizens who have been exposed to the coronavirus because they had contact with Japanese citizens in Malaysia. Reporting from the TIC News, until December 27, 2020, there were an addition of 120 new cases of corona. So, the total number of COVID-19 patients in Indonesia currently stands at 4,261,800 as of March 2, 2020. The same data states that we have 271 additional patients who recovered, bringing the total number of recovered patients in Indonesia to 4,130,320. Then, the addition of patients who died, there were 8 people, so that the total patients who died were 144,063 people. This news shows that there has been a drastic decline in corona cases in Indonesia. Compared to the data on increase in corona cases on July 15, 2020, there were 56,257 additional cases. One of the hopes for tackling this pandemic is the COVID-19 vaccine. Vaccine can suppress the transmission and increase of the coronavirus. Vaccines are substances that help the body fight certain diseases. The body that has been vaccinated will create antibodies against certain viruses. Therefore, vaccination is very crucial so that the body is able to fight certain diseases. The term vaccine was introduced in 1796 when the first smallpox vaccine was discovered. The first vaccine made against variola or smallpox, which is used to prevent variola diseases. This vaccine was developed in 1796 by a doctor named Edward Jenner at Berkeley in rural England. Residents who contracted the cowpox disease did not infect in again and were immune to the smallpox disease that occurred in the village at the time. With this experience, Dr. Jenner launches the world's first clinical trial. This study provides alternative treatment for variolation in Asia in 1600 and in Europe and the United States in the early 1700s. Since then, the development of vaccination has progressed and has become one of the main pillars of vaccination. Vaccine include the development of science and scientific thinking in modern times. The vaccine that was originally created for smallpox is now being developed into a variety of vaccine for many other diseases. For example, vaccine for measles, polio, whooping cough, diphtheria, tetanus, and corona. Since then, the development of vaccination has progressed and has become one of the main pillars of vaccination. One of the great things of vaccination success is that the World Health Organization eradicated smallpox in 1956 by expanding the coverage of smallpox vaccinated worldwide. The Y-vaccinated war is the formed system of antibodies that are needed to make the body immune or fight disease. Hopefully, the corona pandemic will end soon in Indonesia so we can carry out normal activities as usual. And lastly, let's make the vaccination program a success to avoid the coronavirus and help reduce the daily addition of corona case. The corona vaccine is safe because it has passed the BPOM test. Maybe that's all my explanation. Sorry if there are mistakes. I will end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.